What's going on, guys? So today I'll be doing a really challenging work on my car, probably the most challenging one, because I'm going to work on the exhaust manifold to achieve a better heat management by using see here, the titanium exhaust wrap. And the reason I think this is the most challenging work is because, by looking at this one, it's already scared me. You can see a lot of fibers. I already feel pretty itchy on my hand, so you definitely don't want to touch with a bare hand, this one. And apart from that, so I have to remove quite a few parts, probably a turbo blanket. I'm not sure if I can keep the turbo on, but I think if I can remove it, I'd rather remove it to get better access to the manifold. And I'll take my time and make sure to get it done properly, so without rushing. You can see this exhaust wrap. It looks pretty okay. I'm not sure if you can see, so there's a lot of hairs and fibers on the surface. Man, so this thing is really scary, man. Now let's see, what can I do? You have to use the gloves. I'll probably also duct tape my hand, my arms, see, so you'll see later. And before you do that, let's try to start remove some parts first. Alright, let's get started. Here the straw bar is off. So I've been thinking doing this for a long time because occasionally the starter motor is getting jammed because of the heat soak. And for example, when I go to the petrol station and I parked, so for maybe 2 minutes, and when I try to start again, so the starter motor is really struggling to turn over. So I have to cool down the car for another few minutes. So hopefully it can solve the problem, and so I can get a better airflow to in the exhaust, maybe better turbo response maybe. But yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it probably would be easier if I remove the blanket. I think I'll have more space. So hopefully I don't have to remove turbo. So this thing is slightly hassle, you know. And alright, so this thing has a 2 spring. So remove it so I can remove the blanket. Yeah, so I think I need a better protection because there's some dust and you don't want to breathe, right? So when I remove it, so I'm going to vacuum the potential dust coming out. Trust me, guys, so this looks quite complicated to wrap, to be honest. Because the space, you can see, is really, some of them really close to each other. So instead of wrap the individual one by one, so I'm thinking to probably make it easier. So if I can wrap two outlets together and the other two together, yeah, probably still gonna work, right? Because to wrap each one, man, I can't even reach the wrap. So if I wrap here, I can push it through here again. But from the middle, so I got some space. So from the middle, it'll probably be easier to see. You can see if I wrap from the middle part. So wrap two together and the other two. So I can go through here. So for example, wrap those two together. The main problem is my back, so it's pretty sore. I'll probably jack up the car slightly higher so I can reach it better. Yeah, so I check up the car, and now it's slightly better to reach. But I think it's really difficult to film when I'm doing this, so I'll probably just do some testing first and show you the result. So oh man, this is definitely one of the most difficult jobs. It took me about half an hour to only do one. You can see it's not that really well done, but it's gonna work. Yeah, and right now 3 more to go. Let's see. You can see a lot of fibers flying around. I have to use the vacuum cleaner all the time. Alright, so I use this aluminum tape it together so it'll be easier to go through the holes. But man, look at me. So this is ridiculous, man. It's so difficult. So when a exhaust manifold is still on the car, man, this is getting ridiculous now. See, I still have a little bit to finish, but it took me almost 1.5 hours to finish the first two. Still, yeah, just trying to wrap out everything. Man, so if you want to do it by yourself, this is not recommended. So for example, if you want to do it by yourself, seriously, take off all the parts. Man, this is so difficult, man. I don't want to do it again, but tonight I'm gonna finish it, because tomorrow I have to use the car. And you can see actually it's not too bad, but I just don't have enough space to move around. You can see just so tight everything. Oh guys, I'm dying. Look at this. So we finally finished, but there's a little from to the wastegate, so I gave up. So I will probably just keep it like that. And I did a dump pipe, the upper one. So lower one, maybe I'll get some, the aluminum heat wrap. So just wrap it up, so I really can reach the location to wrap the lower part. Yeah, even from the bottom you can see it, no space. So I just put some aluminum heat wrap. Also probably for the wastegate, yeah, just get some. You can see from here. Check out all the mess. Man, this thing is ridiculous. See, it's pretty good. And I try to make them pretty tight as possible. So I think this part temperature is gonna be much better. I just put a turbo blanket on again. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. So I think the cabin temperature will be much better. We can see all the fibers. I'm gonna take a good shower and probably just do some vacuum cleaning again. So those things are sliding. Later. So if you guys like the video, subscribe. But yeah, don't try this at home. So it's not recommended. So you're gonna be really frustrated. If you want to do it, remove it. Don't learn from me. So this is not a good example. But I still try to manage to get the job done. But yeah, so see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.